The way we surf the internet these days has changed, thanks to the new Bing AI's genius capabilities. In this video, I am going to explore the vast functionalities of Bing AI and how you can use it to maximum effect. Come with me, let's dive right in.
Search for Microsoft Edge on your browser and then click on the link right there, Microsoft Edge. This is the landing page of this particular browser, Microsoft Edge. This is how it looks. So once you're able to scroll down, download your device, click on it to download and install on your device. You have this icon on your system, you click on it to open. This is the landing page of this particular browser. And then to the right, you see a Bing logo. Just click on it and this window will pop up. This is where the magic of Bing happens. So this is the chat, and you still have this window open and this other one that is the Bing. For instance, I can open another web page from here without having any trouble, without having to close the other window like this. This is Google homepage, this is the Bing interface. So we are actually on chat now. So you input a prompt, this is the compose end of it. You can use this to compose, and this is the insight, and this is actually where you have the data, more like the numbers, the insights, you know, here, this pen. Okay, so to the right, what I will call sidebar, they actually what you like icons. The first one is actually the action center. This is where more like the notification center, where you are notified of stuff going on. This one is actually for shopping. Here you have the coupons, you know. But if you toggle it back to your shopping, you see that it's like an e-commerce where you can buy anything right here. The next one right here are the tools that are available on the Bing platforms. Here you have the calculator, you have the unit converter. If you scroll down some more, you see translator, also have the dictionary. So here is basically for the tools. So the next one is for games. So if you want to play games, this is exactly where it happens. All manner of games are here, so you can actually play your games while on the net. The next one right there is the Microsoft 365. You have to sync your account to be able to see the entire offering Microsoft here. The next one right here is the Outlook. This is the Outlook. You can use this to connect. The next one right there is image creator. Here you can type in a prompt right here, and then surprise me, then it will be generated. Images will be generated according to your prompt. These are images other people have generated. If you hover on it, you see the prompt that was used to generate this particular image, ditto this particular one. Now the next one is actually the drop. You can use the drop from inside of Bing right there. You can click this plus to add more apps, or should I say more websites to the right sidebar. For instance, if I want to add to that side, I can add Instagram by clicking on it, and then it goes to the right sidebar. I can also click on Shopify right here, and you see Shopify on the right sidebar, and eBay, ditto every other thing that you want to have on the right sidebar, like so. Now if you want to remove any should I say widget, anything that you don't want to be on the right sidebar, right here you have the where you can manage everything. For instance, if I toggle on and off the action center, take a look. If I toggle it off, it disappears from the right sidebar. The same thing for the search. If I toggle it off, it goes off as well. And then same thing applies to every other item that is on the right sidebar. Even the Outlook, if I toggle it off, it goes off. Toggle it on, it comes on, just like so. So going back to the Bing chat facility right here, we are going to type in a prompt and then see what happens. This is actually the compositional style. You have 3: creative, more balanced, and more precise. So I'm going to quickly type in a prompt like this: write out 10 ways to populate my new website with SEO rich content without having to spend a dime. So I will switch it to more creative. You have the more balanced, you have more precise, but in this I will leave it at more precise. So once done, you just click on this icon or click enter on your computer. So in seconds you have this rich content. Even the window is still the same without having to close the other window that we opened. So this is actually the content, as is the case with any other content generator. Once you generate, please check that it aligns with what you want to use. At the foot of it, you see relevant references that you can check, and you can also say relevant responses that you can use to really get more details on the prompt you imputed. So again, I'm going to put another prompt in form of a question, and then once done, click enter. Within seconds, you can see this content that is generated, you know, with relevant links and relevant videos to that effect, relevant responses that you can use to enrich the responses, even images as well. Beautiful and really quick. Then we switch over to the compose end of things. Here you have to impute your prompt right here. Maybe you want to write something, you impute the tone. You have quite a number here. Here you have the format, here you have the length. Once done, you click on generate and it will appear on the preview pane. Let's start with imputing a prompt here. Here is write a marketing proposal for my swimming pool cleaning business. You have professional, casual, enthusiastic, informational tones. I'll leave it at the professional tone. For the format, you have paragraphs, email, blog post, ideas. I'll leave it at the paragraph right here. For the length, I'll leave it at the medium, although you have the short and the long in length. So once that is done, you click enter, and then you have the draft. So this is it. So if you want to switch it over to blog post, for instance, and then I will keep the same topic, the same prompt, but I will change it to blog post. If I generate it, you see that the way it's generated is different from the other one that I generated. A whole new level of content generation right here by Bing AI. So this is how it is. You can click here to regenerate. If you are not okay, you can copy it here. You can use this to go back to the previous generated outcome, or use this to stop generation, just like so. So let me quickly add another one, and then again and add relevant images and see what happens. So I'll leave it at informational and again blog post, then click on generate draft. So in seconds again, what impresses me here is the speed of response here. So you can see, but there's a problem. There are no relevant images according to my prompt, but there's not a problem. Go to the right side, click on image creator. It pops out. So what you need to do is to impute a prompt here for the kind of image you want to use for your content. In this case, I would just say vegetarian dishes. So once I click on create, I have a bunch here. It looks really nice, high quality images that are relevant. So if you click on any of the images, it opens up this way where you can either share it, save it, download it right here, or customize. So guys, this is how it is with Bing AI. It is here to revolutionize how we search the web. Try it out and see how you can, what you can make of it. Thank you for watching today's video. See you in the next. Bye for now.